Hey there, future traders and financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we decode the market signals to help you sharpen your trading edge. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating small cap that just hit our scanners, HHS Inc., ticker HHS. We've got some really compelling data to break down, so stick around. But first, a quick but critical reminder. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's talk HHS HHS Inc. This isn't your typical tech giant, but it's a player in the industrials and conglomerates sector, specializing as a customer experience company. They help businesses connect with their customers through various solutions, including data and analytics, customer care, and even fulfillment and logistics. With a market cap of just $18.07 million, HHS is firmly in penny stock and small cap territory, meaning it can be quite volatile, offering both significant opportunities and risks. It operates across three main segments: revenue solutions, customer care, and fulfillment and logistics, serving clients both in the US and internationally. So why is HHS on our radar right now? Well, the recent price action is what initially grabbed our attention. Today, HHS has seen an impressive plus 11.28% increase, which builds on a solid plus 22.3% gain over the last 5 days. This is particularly interesting when you consider that, despite these recent moves, the stock is still down minus 4.68% over the last 30 days, suggesting a potential rebound from a recent dip. Looking at the bigger picture, HHS is currently trading around $2.23, which is 41.9% below its 52-week high of $4.35, but a healthy 22.0% above its 52-week low of $2.07. This tells us there's plenty of room to run if the momentum continues. Crucially, the volume data is also flashing green. Today's volume for HHS stands at 5,861 shares. Now, that might not sound like much for a large company, but for HHS, it's significantly higher than its 30-day average volume of just 3,718 shares. This gives us a relative volume of 1.6 above average, indicating a strong influx of buying interest that's driving the price action and confirming the validity of today's move. Short chart volume spike. Our scanners didn't just pick up HHS randomly, it triggered multiple powerful strategies. First, we have Patlama Onsesi, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze. This strategy looks for stocks that have been consolidating in a tight range, often indicated by a low ADX value, meaning a lack of strong trend. The price will be trading above its EM at 1T, and we'll see volume beginning to expand as the stock prepares for a potential breakout. HHS fits this perfectly, showing signs of emerging from a tight consolidation. Highlight Axoname at 1T on chart. Next up, dipping top laner or strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stocks that are gathering strength after a period of weakness. It confirms low ADX consolidation, but specifically looks for the price to be above the EM at 1D, a relative strength index RSI above 50, indicating bullish momentum, and importantly, volume above its 30-day average, exactly what we're seeing with HHS 1.6 relative volume. Finally, the Aituzogi or bear trap reversal. This is a classic pattern where a stock that has been under recent selling pressure, perhaps leading to false breakdown, now recovers strongly above its EM at 1T, confirming that the bears have been trapped and the bulls are taking over. The recent minus 4.68% dip over 30 days followed by today's plus 11.28% surge with volume confirmation is a textbook example. And to solidify these signals, we have our VWAP and EMA alignment gate confirmation. In simple terms, this filter ensures that the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted moving average VWAP, which is a powerful indicator incorporating volume into its calculation. We also look for the trend strength ADX to be above 18, signaling a developing trend, and the RSI to be in that healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68. When all these align, it significantly reduces the likelihood of false breakouts, giving us high confidence in the signal. Show VWAP X RSI on chart. Now let's get down to the critical numbers you need to know for HHS. Our scanner entry signal price was at $2.23. This is the point where the stock met all the criteria and generated a buy signal. To manage risk, our stop loss level is set at $2.2188. This is your exit point if the trade doesn't go as planned, protecting your capital. And for potential profits, we have 3 take profit targets. T-pound $2 $3,415. T-PETWO $2 $4,530. TP3 $2 $5,645. These staggered targets allow you to lock in gains as the stock potentially moves higher. What's truly exceptional about this setup is the risk/reward ratio, an outstanding 9.96. This means for every dollar you potentially risk, you stand to gain nearly $10, making this a highly attractive setup from a risk management perspective. Just a quick interjection here, as it's vital to always keep this in mind. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So, with hard Hank's HHS showing such clear signals, what should you be watching for? First and foremost, continued volume confirmation. We want to see that increased interest sustained, especially if the price pushes towards our take profit targets. Keep a close eye on the $2.23 entry signal, and critically the stop loss at $2.2188. A break below that level would invalidate the setup. Conversely, strong moves towards T-pound $2 $3,415, TP2 $2 $4,530, and potentially TP3 $2 $5,645 would be confirmation that the underlying strategies are playing out as anticipated. Remember, small cap stocks like HHS can be volatile, so disciplined risk management around these key levels is paramount. There you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of Hart Hanks Inc. HHS. From its interesting role in customer experience, its small $18.07 market cap, to its explosive recent price action and volume, today's plus 11.28% on 5,861 shares, 1.6 its average volume, everything points to a stock that has caught significant attention on our scanners. The combination of Paloma Onsesi, dipped and Gaktaplianer, and Aituzogi strategies, all confirmed by our VWAP and EMA alignment gate, presents a compelling picture. With a fantastic 9.96 risk/reward ratio and clear levels to watch, HHS is certainly one to keep on your watch list. What are your thoughts on HHS? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy trading, and we'll see you next time.